Let's be brutally honest. Your job isn't as secure as you think. AI is transforming industries at a breakneck pace, making many roles obsolete. The old model of trading time for money is crumbling, but with every disruption comes opportunity, if you're ready. At Grow Wealth Daily, we focus on building skills and systems that compound your value over time. The key isn't fighting technology, but using it to amplify your unique human strengths. Today, I'll break down 5 skills that will keep you ahead, no matter how the world changes. These are the skills I'm betting on, and you should too. The first essential skill is leverage thinking. Most jobs pay you for your time. Work an hour, get paid for an hour. That's linear. Leverage thinking breaks that link. It's about building assets that earn for you, even when you're not working. For example, a writer who sells a digital guide online creates an asset that pays them over and over. This is the difference between earning and building. Naval Ravikant calls this permissionless leverage, using code or media to scale your impact without anyone's approval. Digital products, courses, templates, and content channels are all examples. You do the work once, and the system keeps working for you. AI supercharges this. It helps you research, create, and automate faster than ever. The real opportunity? Identifying human problems and building scalable solutions. Something AI can't do alone. Ask yourself, am I renting my time or building assets? Start small, maybe a checklist, a niche social account, or a simple template. Not every seed will grow, but the ones that do give you freedom and security. Leverage thinking is about working smarter, not harder. In an AI-driven world, your ability to create scalable systems is the new currency. Don't just be an employee, become an owner or investor in your own future. The more you shift toward building assets, the more resilient you become. Plant seeds of leverage now, and watch your options multiply. This is how you detach your well-being from any single employer or trend. Leverage is the art of building wealth that lasts. In the age of AI, those who master leverage will thrive. Start building today. The second skill is communication that converts. In a world flooded with AI-generated content, authentic communication is a superpower. AI can generate words, but it can't generate trust. Trust is built through empathy, storytelling, and delivering real value. This skill has 3 parts: writing, speaking, and simplifying. Clear writing is clear thinking. Can you write an email that gets a response or a post that sparks action? Speaking is about engaging and moving people, whether in a meeting or on video. Simplifying means breaking down complex ideas so anyone can understand. The best communicators make things simple, not simplistic. These skills open doors, helping you sell, lead, and build an audience. People follow you for your perspective, not just your information. When you buy something or make a big decision, it's usually because someone communicated its value to you. AI can list features, but only you can tell the story that connects. To build this skill, practice in public, write, record, and share your ideas. Get feedback, iterate, and improve. As AI floods the web with generic content, human-centric communication becomes more valuable. Storytelling is your edge. Wrap your ideas in stories people remember. Communication isn't a soft skill. It's the bridge between your ideas and real-world impact. Master it, and you'll always have influence and opportunity. Your humanity is your greatest asset. Express it through how you communicate. Even the best asset is worthless if you can't explain its value. Communication connects all your other skills. Don't just inform, move people to act. In the age of AI, communication is your most defensible skill. Make it your priority. The third skill is digital asset creation. If leverage is the why, and communication is the how, digital assets are the what. A digital asset is anything you create once and sell or share infinitely. Templates, guides, courses, databases, or prompt packs. You don't need to be an expert, just a few steps ahead of your audience and willing to organize solutions to real problems. Start small, a Notion template, a budgeting spreadsheet, or a curated resource list. The key is usefulness. People pay to save time or solve pain points. Scalability is the magic: build once, sell many times, automate delivery. Platforms like Gumroad or Etsy handle payments and distribution. Your job is to create and communicate value. Then, let the system work. AI can help brainstorm, outline, and even design your assets. Look for problems in your life or work. What do people ask you for help with? Your unique perspective and packaging are your edge. Don't worry about originality. Improve what exists or make it more user-friendly. Execution and marketing matter as much as the idea. Start with a simple asset, even if it's free, to learn the process. Each asset is a piece of digital real estate that can pay you for years. The more assets you build, the more income streams you create. Digital asset creation is the foundation of modern wealth. Build your portfolio, one small asset at a time. The sooner you start, the sooner you benefit. The fourth skill is AI and tool stack literacy. AI isn't your enemy, but someone who knows how to use it is your competition. The future belongs to those who leverage AI, not those who fear it. You don't need to build AI, just master using it. The most important sub-skill is prompt engineering. Knowing how to ask AI the right questions to get great results. Be specific, provide context, and iterate. Treat AI like a brilliant but literal intern. Tool stack literacy means combining different tools, AI and non-AI, to automate and streamline your work. For example, use ChatGPT to outline a script, Descript to edit video, Opus Clip to create social clips, and Buffer to schedule posts. The magic is in connecting tools to build automated workflows. Don't try to learn every tool. Focus on solving your real problems. Experiment weekly with new tools. Stay curious and keep learning. The habit of learning is more important than any single tool. Think of AI as your co-pilot. You set the direction, AI handles the routine. This shifts you from task doer to system designer. Your value is in orchestrating workflows, not just doing tasks. Don't be overwhelmed. Start with your biggest pain points. Find tools that help and commit to using them for a week. The gap between those who embrace AI and those who don't is growing fast. Automate what you can. Focus your energy on what only you can do. The future belongs to the person who can automate, not just execute. Become that person. Start now. The final skill is self-discipline in a distracted world. You can have the best ideas and tools, but without discipline, nothing gets done. In a world built to steal your attention, focus is your ultimate advantage. Motivation is fleeting. Discipline is a system. It's about showing up and executing no matter how you feel. AI doesn't get distracted. You do. That's your challenge and your edge. The future will be won by those who control their attention. Build discipline by designing your environment for focus. Block distractions, set clear goals, and create routines. Use frameworks like Atomic Habits. Focus on small, consistent actions. Don't aim to write a book. Aim to write for 15 minutes every day. Shift from consumer to producer. Spend more time creating than scrolling. If you're your own boss, hold yourself accountable. Your attention is your most valuable currency. Invest it wisely. Time block your day for deep work on your most important tasks. Treat these appointments with yourself as non-negotiable. Discipline isn't about working non-stop, it's about sustainable rhythms of work and rest. Burnout kills consistency. Rest is part of the system. The world is splitting, those controlled by algorithms and those who control their own focus. All the skills we've discussed require deep, focused effort. Self-discipline is the key to turning knowledge into action. Without it, you'll know what to do, but never do it. The gap between knowing and doing is the gap between thriving and surviving. Build discipline, and you'll build your future. Most people won't build these skills. They'll watch, feel inspired, and go back to old habits. But the future rewards preparation, not hope. The 5 skills we covered, leverage thinking, communication, digital asset creation, AI literacy, and self-discipline, are your edge. Most won't do the work, so the opportunity for those who do is massive. If this video helped you, like and share it. It helps others find this message. Subscribe to Grow Wealth Daily for more on building wealth and modern skills. The future belongs to the prepared. Let's get to work.